doing good all your life?
I know what you're saying. It doesn't pay so well, but I like it. Eventually, it'll depend on the woman I marry, I think. Maybe she'll want lots of kids, a bigger house, better car. College doesn't come cheap. I don't know.
Give up what you want for the woman you marry.
Yeah, you know what? I would.
Yeah?
Gladly.
Eddie, does your friend have a name?
A name? Something he goes by? Oh, yeah, excuse me. This is,
Daddy, come on, a name.
Bill, the suspense is killing me.
I'm sorry, it's gone right out of my head. I'm sorry, this is Joe.
Joe.
Just plain Joe.
I love that name.
Me too. Hey, buddy. Is there any more to it?
What do you mean?
Like Smith or Jones or...
Black.
Oh, at last. Nice to meet you, Mr. Black.
Hey, Joe Black. 115 lost 2 for the Brooklyn Dodgers, 1952. I'm king of my rotisserie league.
How are you?
Yeah, he is. Shall we sit down?